session 2 for the New York on 5th of March. It is 9:30 a.m. Eastern now, and let's get started off with Euro USD. Price action has touched the exact Fibonacci extension of the first wave, which we had projected. I think we had projected on 27th of January when the boundary was ready. That's the first wave. It has just met the target as we speak, 1.0750 on the board, and that has been accompanied not exactly by a bearish divergence, but we don't see that on the 4-hour chart. Tell you what, but on an hourly chart, things are beginning to stall. Ideally, we don't want to speculate, as we said. See, the new high has been accompanied by a bearish divergence. So, but we don't want to speculate on when what is going to happen. The only thing we would recommend is holding long positions as absolutely suggested, but also at the same time, since two events have occurred, event one, uh, the Fibonacci 0.618 has been met. You never know, I mean, it can carry forward all the way towards 1.618, but at least 0.618 has been met. And event number two, uh, wave 4 resistance was taken out today itself. So our prices have rallied almost 120 points after that, but at least the resistance has been taken out. So two events have occurred, and that calls for at least a corrective decline any time. The only thing is that we've been talking about the third wave momentum. On the third wave momentum, if it carries on, it is not going to stop anytime sooner as well. So it's a catch-22 situation. If you are wanting to buy, or if you have not traded, it's going to be a tricky situation. But tell you what, if you have positions in hand, you can take some partial profits, but hold on to at least some of them. Now, if we do the trend line here, that trend line has already been back tested, so prices revisiting that part is out of question. That has been back tested already. Now, the only thing that can happen as a retracement is that particular boundary be retraced, right? So if I try to find out another entry point, hypothetically, because I don't see any stop page at this point in time, so only hypothetical entries 514, which is previous resistance becoming potential support going forward. That could be the next entry when where bulls can actually come back in control. But we need to see a reversal, or at least the first sign of a reversal coming across. Let's go on the smaller time frame and let's try and figure out what exactly is looking on the wave front. It's wave 1, 2, 3. Is it the 4? And don't see any reason why we should not consider this as wave 4 and another wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's check out if the fifth wave extension, an extended fifth wave actually. Fifth wave extensions are not easy to find out, or not easy to, they normally occur at the last wave actually. And if it is the fifth wave extension, then we'll have to wait for the corrective decline, but the corrective decline should be underway very soon if that's the fifth wave complete. Let's have a look at the RSI. Okay, the RSI is diverging quite a bit on 15 minutes time frame. and also on the hourly chart that we have seen. And the first step that we need to see is a break below 675. The moment we have a break below 675, I think we've got something on hand for those who are still sitting on the sidelines and want to get in the train on the long side in the euro. All right, so hang in. Okay, once again, if the dollar index is also producing the third wave, then again it is also going to be one of the sharpest, and at least in the past 1 year or so. I tell you what, at the same time we've got to notice two things which have happened. One, the Fibonacci extension has been met at 485, and the second, the price support has also been before, because I don't think that cannot be the smallest wave. We try and find out, and that boundary suggesting 106 zone. So that would be the next potential entry for the bears to come back and control. I think the immediate trend line that we can draw, let me extend the outer trend line. The immediate trend line which we can draw is those 2 points. It is dropped in a straight line almost today and yesterday. In less than 24 hours, we are off the radar by about 200 points easy. Right, so we have to expect some kind of a correction or a sideways action as well possible. All right, but the momentum is definitely on the south side. You never know where the price action is going to end. The next target now is 102.30, which is another 250 points low from here. All right, sir. So short positions remain active. The only catch situation here is if we book profits, as we did in the portal as well. Now we have to wait for a corrective rally to enter shorts again, right? Okay, let's pick up gold. There you are. Flowing as it should be. Okay, at least now we are back again. We had a, so just in case if but I think the stream is back now. Okay, there was a connection disturbance in between, but I think we are back now. Yes, and wanting to and there could be one more rally. Expect a rally now towards the next resistance is 29.29. I mean, if we can expect a reversal from there, then that could be the beginning of a wave C decline. The trading point of view, we are short, and if you are wanting to take fresh positions, you can do that now as well around 29.16. Please remain short with a stop loss around 29.60, and the take profits go towards 28102790. If you go by the Fibonacci numbers, I mean 2760, that would be the ideal. Structurally, gold is correcting lower within minute wave 4 after completing or terminating minor wave 4 at 2537. Furthermore, producing minute wave 1, expanded flat minute wave 2, extended minute wave 3, and now maybe minute wave 4 in the making. All right, as an ABC, looks like a flat. All right, sir, so be on the short side, please. Stop around 29.60, but Remember, this again is an aggressive trading strategy because the overall trend in gold is bullish, but we expect price action to find support around the 2800 handle, maybe 2810, 2790, and all right, okay. There might be some. We are back again, but there is a bit of distortion going on in the internet connection that I have. Maybe next time I'll have to switch on to the frames are getting dropped. So the stream is not stable right now. I'm extremely sorry for the